I'm Danny702 and welcome to Las Vegas. Today we are staying at one of the cheapest hotels on the Las Vegas Strip, the Excalibur. We get to show you our hotel experience, including the hotel room, the pool, and even some of the options for food here at this resort. I've been wanting to share more than just walkthroughs on this channel to give you a better idea of what you might expect when staying at the resorts here in Vegas. And we haven't stayed on the Strip in probably over 10 years. There are so many that's on my bucket list to stay at, but I wanted to start here at the Excalibur since it is one of the cheapest resorts. And then hopefully we can slowly make our way up to the luxury resorts, but I'm coming into the Excalibur, one of the cheapest hotels, with a fresh mind, no major expectations. And let's see what this budget resort has to offer, if it's a good resort for your Vegas vacation or if it's a major skip. Excalibur opened in the summer of 1990 and definitely had a big part in the family boom era of Las Vegas. When it opened, the Excalibur was the biggest hotel in the world with over 4,000 rooms and over 70 acres. It's located on the south end of the Strip on Las Vegas Boulevard and Tropicana. We have MGM across the way, the Tropicana, New York, and then we've got Luxor on the other side of the Excalibur. Check-in is at 3 o'clock, and if you can see behind me, there's actually a really long line for check-in. But MGM does offer a mobile check-in, so you just download the app. It was really easy. I actually did it while we were standing here to avoid the line. This is really cool, so you can still get an actual room key. You just walk right up, get your mobile app ready, and we avoided that major line. This is a Royal Tower King room, and it is a 352 square foot room. Of course, they have other options inside of the hotel, so they do have the 2-bedroom, 2 queens. They have a Superior King room, which was just slightly bigger than this room here, but it cost a lot more money. They also have pet-friendly rooms and something called a Staywell room, which has upgraded amenities. So they do have aromatherapy in the room. There is a purifying air system, as well as a filter in the shower. But this room isn't so bad for $70 on the Strip. We have wireless internet, an electronic safe, a 40-inch flat screen TV, a desk if you want to do any work or maybe sit down and eat, of course air conditioning, we've got the room service, housekeeping, and a 24/7 front desk. Well, we technically have a Strip view. But we're on the 2nd floor, so there's not much to see. But we do have a pretty good view of the monorail going by. The bathroom is a decent size. It's got a lot of counter space. This mirror is nice and big. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Lighting, good lighting in here. Here's the restroom, and then we've got a shower with the glass door, hair dryer, we have shampoo, conditioner, and body lotion, and then 2 little soaps. Yeah, there's some stuff here and there, but it does look pretty clean. It looks like they used to have a refrigerator in room. Not anymore, no coffee maker, but they do have an ice bucket for you. I booked the cheapest room that I can find, which was at $29 for the night, before the resort fee. After the resort fee, it was about $72.50 for the night with all the fees included. I highly recommend being a rewards member, because even at the lowest tier, you can save on the rooms, and then 1 tier up, which is the Pearl status that I have, you get free parking at all MGM properties. Now, honestly, for $70 a night, this is a pretty decent room. I have really no complaints. There's some scruff here and there, some stains here and there, but everything was clean. There is some sort of a noise in a room that is not coming from the AC that's slightly loud, slightly annoying. You gotta set the closet just right to get rid of it. But the bed itself is very comfortable. I am in love with these pillows. I feel like that's what really matters, is how comfortable the bed is. Let's head downstairs and do a little bit of exploring of the hotel. But first, we do have to step back in time a couple hours because we got here a little bit early to do brunch at the buffet. I redeemed rewards on the My Vegas app for a 2-for-1 for the buffet. So let's go eat. The buffet hours of operation, 8 to 3 o'clock daily. Their weekday brunch is $27.99 for the adults, and then on the weekend a little more at $30.99 for the adults. Are you a salad at a buffet kind of person?
No way.
Yeah, I might skip the salad, but these look really good. Pasta salad, potato salad, Italian cuisine, which I see bacon and sausages. pizza, cinnamon rolls, yum. And then we also, because it is brunch, we've got the breakfast food. Pancakes, mini pancakes, French toast, biscuits and gravy, and also made to order omelets. And then we have the whole carvery station. Now this is a station to be at. Looks like they have different types of meat, vegetable spring rolls, orange chicken, fried rice, steamed rice, vegetable lo mein, miso soup. Oh, there's also fresh sushi, chorizo and papas. There is borracho beans, spinach rice. Ooh, al pastor, roasted chicken legs. All right, we're definitely doing that. It's been years since we've been to a buffet, and I normally don't do buffets, even though I love the concept, just because it's a high price and I don't eat very much in one setting. I normally almost always have leftovers to take home. But at a 2-for-1, I could not pass that deal, and so far it's pretty good. So this is what I mean by I'm not much of a big eater. This is still my first bite, and I'm getting pretty full. But I don't want to eat it all because I need to save room for the good stuff. The desserts, cream puffs, and I don't know what that is. Looks like a kind of a s'more, and cupcakes. And I'm not too sure what that is. There are no signs anywhere, but I don't care. It looks freaking good. There's a sign that says they have gluten-friendly options upon request. This ooey gooey mess looks delicious. Bread pudding, always a fan favorite. We got the soft served vanilla custard and the chocolate custard. You can put your chocolate syrup, whipped cream on top. I think that's Oreo crumbs. These are not the sugar-free type. All right, this is where it's at. This is the whole reason why I came. They also have a make-your-own crepe area. Okay, this is probably where my husband's gonna be. I mean, this looks bomb. Heck yeah, it's my favorite part of a buffet. This tastes exactly like a snack pack.
Oh man.
This is so freaking good.
Brisket was good, the crepe was good, the bread pudding was good. So yeah, a lot of good stuff.
Yeah.
Nothing was bad.
No, yeah.
And a shrimp ice cream cocktail, that was really good too.
All right.
Only is you had to peel it, but
yeah.
It kind of slows it down.
That's like classic Vegas. Well, this is the lobby bar. And we came over here because I also got a 2-for-1 rewards on the My Vegas app for 2-for-1 cocktails. Now, the My Vegas app, I know it sounds like a commercial. I swear I'm not sponsored, but it's so handy to have. We already used 2-for-1 buffet. We got 2-for-1 cocktails. Very handy, especially if you're staying at one of the MGM properties. We had a look at the buffet, but here are the other options on site. There's Vagabond, which has a sports bar feel with screens for games and burgers and plenty of beer on the menu. Dick's Last Resort is famous for their oddly entertaining decor and their rowdy service. Buca di Beppo has family-style, authentic Italian food. You can't go wrong with Johnny Rockets, who's got some bomb chicken fingers and milkshakes on the menu. They also have a Baja Fresh, an Orange Julius, and a Dairy Queen, and they also have a food court with tons of options. Then they have poolside dining at Drenched Bar and Grill. Here's their sports bar. I do believe that they have a poker room, but it is currently closed. The casino floor takes up the majority of the first level. It is fairly big. We have the table games right here in the middle, and then a whole bunch of slots just all over the place. They have a few options for on-site entertainment, including Thunder Down Under, the Australian Bee Gees Show, Mac King Comedy Magic Show, and the Tournament of Kings, which I have been dying to see. It's a dinner and show experience very similar to medieval times. Right next to the Thunder Down Under showroom, they have a candy shop. I'm also noticing gift shops and stores like this around property. A small marketplace with beverages and other quick eats. Also some Golden Knight merchandise. They have a couple Starbucks on site. It's actually quite a few shops. This one here is called the Dragon's Lair. And then there is a walkway that leads you to the Luxor. There is a pretty large gym. There's quite a few machines in there. I also saw some weights on this side. Another major plus to this hotel is going to be the arcade. I used to come here all the time when I was a kid. There's not as many big arcades like this around Las Vegas anymore, at least in the resorts. But here at the Excalibur, they still have it. They call it the Fun Dungeon, and it's still here. Now, on top of the arcade games, they have a lot of carnival style games as well. They still have the motion ride here. Ultimate 4D experience, kind of like Star Tours at Disney. Oh, I could have sworn they took this out. His first time back on the slots in years and years. I don't know, there's something about Money Storm that stood out to him. 8 years, I would say. It's been a long time since we played. And he was up $8. We're cashing out at $8. I think we're gonna end the night here, but we'll see you bright and early in the morning, and we're gonna hit the pool. It's now the next day and it's time for a pool sesh. Probably my favorite thing and something that I've been looking forward to do. There's a few. We've got the royal pool, we have the spring pool, the court pool, which might be their largest, but then also the slide pool, which I'm definitely looking forward to.
Water temperature.
Not bad.
Okay. Yeah, not too bad.
Hours for the pool is 9 to 6, and then the slide pool is only open on the weekends, so Friday through Sunday.
Push.
It's kind of slow. Okay, it's relaxing. It's alright. It's faster head first. Alright, that's the key. We've seen a couple of kids go down head first for a reason now. The eighth wonder of the world. To that side of water.
All in all, I really feel like I had a pretty good stay. It was only $70 for the night. And the room wasn't the best room. I feel like if you're coming to Vegas and you know that you won't be in the room very often, this is a really great option. I really have no complaints besides from that loud buzzing. The bed was fine, the pillows were really comfortable. I really enjoyed the pool here. There's some really good food options, and then you're close to so much. I know I've heard some horror stories here, but I didn't experience any of that. Just a good room, a-okay room, I would say. And if you want a really nice room, definitely go upwards. You're gonna pay a little bit more for that, but it was alright. Until next time, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe for more adventures in Las Vegas and the surrounding areas, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.